Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice for dinner. First, let's talk about choosing the right rice for your meal. Long-grain white rice is a popular choice, yielding a light and fluffy result perfect for many dishes. If you prefer a chewier texture and more nutrients, brown rice is an excellent option. For sushi or other sticky preparations, short-grain rice works best. Now let's prepare our rice. It's crucial to rinse your rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This removes excess starch for a better texture. For most white rice, a 2-to-1 ratio of water to rice is ideal. That means for every 1 cup of rice, you'll add 2 cups of water. Brown rice usually needs a bit more, around 2 1/4 cups of water per cup of rice. With your rice and water in a pot, bring it to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, adding a small pinch of salt for flavor. Once boiling, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting, cover the pot tightly with a lid, and let it simmer undisturbed for about 18 minutes for white rice. Resist the urge to peek or stir, as this releases steam and affects cooking. After the cooking time, turn off the heat and let the pot sit, still covered, for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute, ensuring perfectly cooked, separate grains. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the rice with a fork. Your delicious, perfectly cooked rice is now ready to be served as a wonderful accompaniment to any dinner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.